Hello everyone, welcome back. My last tutorial was on making fake fog, and we made a macro. We made it as a title, which means you have to stretch it out on your timeline above your media. This one I'm going to make as an effect, that way you can drop it right in your media, whether it's a still or a video. And to do this, we have to have a still or some type of media. We have to have a media in and a media out to make an effect. With that said, we'll go to Fusion and get started. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. Can't use my hands and arms. With the media in selected, get a merge and a fast noise. Pipe it together like that. Take the detail all the way up to the right. Set the brightness on minus 0.4. All these controls will be in the macro. Seed rate set to 0.01. And then right click on the center. Modify width, XY path. Go to modifiers up here. Delete the two keyframes. Right click on the X. Modify width, anim curve. Set the scale to 0.2. Go back to tools. On a fast noise, go to color. I added just a little bit of blue to it instead of it being so white. You can see where my pointer is on a color scale. Then select a rectangle. Take the width and height all the way up. And the soft edge all the way up. I'm going to bring it down so you can see what it does. We're going to use the Y in the center here in the macro to lower the fog. It's not always all the way up to the trees. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Hold the control button down. Select these in order that I do. Go to macro. Create macro. Make sure you do not have the media in or media out selected. Give it a name. And follow along. Almost forgot the invert. That way you can make a move from left to right and right to left. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Effects. Here's where you'll make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same. Resolve won't recognize it. I'm going to go find it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. It'll be under Effects. Here's one we just made. I'm going to lower the fog so it's not so high. Show you why I put that in there. I'm going to over-exaggerate the fog just to show you. I don't know how well you guys can see that. take the scale, move it up. The default can move a lot more than what it did on the default settings. You can invert it, go the other direction. I'll leave the rest of the controls up for you guys to figure out. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.